ईद मीलादुन नबी।
Dawat-e-Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, says on page 321, with reference of Ma Sabata Minas Sunnah, Shaykh Abdul Haq Muhaddis Dehelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi has stated, the reward for those who rejoice in the night of the blessed birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala alayhi wasallam is that Allah Azza wa Jal will, with His grace and generosity, enter them into Jannatun Na'im.
Congratulations of Eid Miladun Nabi. Congratulations of Eid Miladun Nabi. To the laws of Mustafa, Eid Miladun Nabi.